If you're looking for a quick, easy, and secure way to send and sign retainer agreements online, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes using the software that's trusted by thousands of professionals. First, you'll need a digital platform to create, send, and sign your retainer agreements. Most people rely on software that allows for electronic signatures, but not all of them are the same, so let's dive into what you need to know. Start by uploading your retainer agreement into the software. Most platforms will allow you to drag and drop the file or select it from your computer. Once it's uploaded, you can customize the document by adding signature fields, initials, dates, and other important areas where your client will need to sign. Now, here's where things get really easy. You can add the recipient's email, and the software will send them a link to review and sign the agreement. It's simple, quick, and secure. Your client gets an email with a direct link, and they can open the document, sign it digitally, and even add any other necessary information. All of this happens in a secure, encrypted environment, so you can feel confident that your document stays safe. Once your client signs the agreement, you'll receive a notification, and a signed copy is instantly available for download. No need for printing, scanning, or waiting. Everything happens automatically. Let's talk about tracking. One of the biggest advantages of using this software is the ability to track the progress of your retainer agreement. You'll know when it's been sent, when it's been viewed, and when it's been signed. This ensures you never miss an important step in the process and always stay on top of your agreements. I've tested several popular options for sending and signing retainer agreements online, and the one we'll be using today offers some of the best features, like ease of use, security, and seamless integration with other tools you might already use. Plus, I've arranged for you to get an exclusive free trial of this software if you want to follow along. You can find the link to the free trial in the description below, available only to viewers of this channel. The key takeaway from this video is that sending and signing retainer agreements online has never been easier or more secure. Using the right software can save you time, reduce errors, and streamline the whole process from start to finish. To quickly recap, upload your document, add signature fields, send the agreement, track progress, and receive your signed document. No printing or scanning required. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.